Hi guys, Hobbs here, and today is the very first HTML series tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about the general things about HTML. I won't get in the deep things, but I'm just gonna talk about the basics. So let's get started. Well, the first thing, HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML, obviously it's a markup language, and HTML it's not a programming language, as anyone who knows HTML knows that HTML is not a programming language like Java or C++. As every language has letters, HTML has tags. Well, tags are letters, and sometimes they are semi-words that describe the content that you want to put in your document. Most tags have an opening and a closing tag, and you put the content in between. You put the content in between the opening and the closing tag. For example, the HTML tag has an open HTML tag like this. We write it like this, the content. Then we close it with this HTML closing tag. We put this slash as a closing tag. After that, tags are very easy to learn because they are so small and they don't need a day or two to be learned. Just practice on them and you'll find yourself okay. Tags have attributes. What attributes do, expand the capability of the tags to describe the content. For example, this img tag says that I will put here an image, so it will appear for the user. But the src, it says where the image is in the server or the computer, where's the source of the image. So the attribute expands the work of the tag. It's like it helps the tag to do its work very better and more advanced. After that, the basic structure for the HTML. In every single HTML document you'll find the same structure. First, we put HTML tag saying this is an HTML document. Then we close it down here. Then we start with the head tag. We close the head tag, then the body tag, and we close the body tag. I will explain every single of these three tags, these important three tags. First, the HTML tag. HTML tag, the opening is like that, the closing is like that, and it's the tag that contains everything. We start putting it in the top, and we close and we end the document with it. The HTML tag is the ID for the document. We say to the server, to the computer, to the browser, this is an HTML document. Don't forget, of course, to close the tags, because a lot of designers that don't close their tags, and for the long term that causes problems. So I always recommend that always close your tags. Well, the second thing is the head tag. You can put in the head tag, you can put scripts like JavaScript, links like CSS, put the title of the page, meta tags, base tags, and head tag has attributes such as dir or lang, and I will explain every one of these in next videos, just showing you what you can put in the head tag. But I want to say a very important thing, that in the head tag, everything you put in the head tag is not visual for the user, except just the title of the page, or the title for the page is the only thing that the user can see. But everything in the head tag, the user cannot see. You just make your web page better by putting these tags, these tags, yes, these tags in the head tag. After that, the body tag is the main tag in the document and your design, because you put everything in your design in it. The visual things that the user will see, like links, images, and text, you will put them in the body tag so the user can see them. Alright? Well, I come to the last, and I hope you have understand what's the very basic about HTML. Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup language. HTML is not a programming language. After that, we say that as every language in the world have letters, HTML has tags. Tags are sometimes letters or symbol words that describe the content. If most HTML tags has an opening tag and a closing tag, and the content that you want to put is in between of them. After that, we say the basic structure of HTML is the first HTML tag. Then we start with the HTML tag, with the opening HTML tag, and we close the document with the closing HTML tag. An HTML tag, it contains every other tag in the document. We say by the HTML tag that this is an HTML document. After that, the head tag, we put everything is not visual for the user but makes the document much better, like styles. We will style the document so it will look better, and JavaScript and titles and a lot of things, other things that we will discuss in future videos. After that, we discuss about the body, that everything visual for the user you can put in the body, like images, text, and links. Thank you for watching. I hope you have had a good idea about HTML for the first time. Please stay tuned, because I'm gonna put a lot of videos about HTML. Thank you. Was what you hope, MGD.